epilogue. Again. Epilogue again. Alright, today we are going to be watching a monkey man. Well, actually, it's a real monkey. Just like, you know how, if you guys watch Family Guy, you will see Chris has a monkey in his closet that always sits down and points at him. Well, we have a monkey, but it's not really like that. Introducing Monkey. Come on, monkey. We have a monkey. We have a monkey. Yep, we have a monkey. Let's turn around for everyone. He's a little shy. Don't worry, he has underwear on. And he's only wearing underwear. No. He's wearing a clock too, don't worry. This is our monkey. Now sit like they do in Chris in Family Guy. Now like this. Yeah. See, he's being trained. Now point at me with an evil look. Bad boy. Okay, sit. He's a treat. Sit, stand. Ah! Alright. That's when you do something bad. Or get the whip. You want the whip? Don't do something bad. Alright, now, monkey boy. I need you to... Don't touch that! Don't touch that! Don't touch it! Better.
I am a magical foot.
I'm beating an imaginary foot. Alright, now over here. Get back in your closet.
I am the foot.
Move yourself. It's opening. What? It's opening. He's alive!